Hello.
We're members of the St. Louis Park Human Rights Commission. We're excited to share that the City of St. Louis Park is once again participating in
In Welcoming Week. This year's theme is Stories We Share.
The courage to connect. Welcoming Week is a national campaign that was launched by Welcoming America in 2012. It brings together immigrants and non-immigrants of all backgrounds to collaborate, deepen connections, and
Create a sense of belonging for everyone.
I'm so excited to participate in Welcoming Week, to meet our neighbors who we may not always talk to, and foster understanding and community through events like this.
we invite you to celebrate Welcoming Week with us September 10th through 19th. Visit the Welcoming Week page on the city's website for event details and ideas on
How to be a welcomer. Whether you live, work, or play in St. Louis Park, there are many ways to
Welcome your neighbors. Join us for a community potluck on September 15th at The Rock, hosted by the Human Rights Commission. Bring a culturally meaningful dish or recipe, meet your neighbors, and celebrate the experiences and contributions of immigrants and refugees in our community. I'm really excited about this event because it's an opportunity for community building and for us to learn about different cultures. I'm really excited about trying different foods I might have never tried before, and for my kids to also experience that.
We're excited to come together and celebrate each other and talk about what the spirit of St. Louis Park is and the welcoming and belonging community we have here.
Thank you, and we hope to see you there.